Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents on Yahoo Mail. First, locate the email containing the document you need to sign within your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once found, download the attachment to your computer or mobile device. Before proceeding, make sure you have a suitable PDF editor or a dedicated document signing application readily available on your system. This initial step is crucial for a smooth signing process. Now that your document is downloaded, open it using your preferred PDF editor or document signing software. Most modern applications offer a sign or fill and sign feature, often found in the toolbar or a dedicated menu. If your current software lacks this direct functionality, you might need to convert the document into a more signable format, such as a fillable PDF, to proceed efficiently with the signing process. With the document open in your signing tool, it's time to add your signature. You typically have options to draw a signature using your mouse or trackpad, or to upload an image of your handwritten signature. Carefully place the signature in the designated area on the document. Don't forget to add any other required information, such as the current date or your printed name, ensuring all fields are completed accurately before finalizing. After successfully signing your document, save it as a new file to avoid overwriting the original blank version. This is a good practice for record keeping. Then, return to your Yahoo Mail inbox and compose a new email. Attach the newly signed document to this email, ensuring you address it to the correct recipient. Finally, send the email, completing the entire process of signing and returning your document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.